But many homeowners are asking, what is a ductless heat pump and how does it work? And another question we get is, what's the difference between a ductless heat pump and a mini split system? And really, there is no difference between a ductless system and a mini split. They're both heat pumps, which is fabulous. So basically all we're doing is we're taking heat from one place and moving it to another. So in the winter time, with our ductless mini split, we're going to be taking heat from outside all the way down to minus 13 degrees and bringing that heat inside to help heat your home. In the summertime, we're actually going to be taking that heat from inside your living space and moving it outside. Another great thing about how a ductless system works is it's got inverter technology. So you can kind of think of it as cruise control for your home. So it's going to be ramping up and down and not just a consistent temperature. Analogy I like to use is if you have a really nice car and it's got 500 horsepower, you don't always need 500 horsepower, if you're stuck in traffic or anything like that. You just need to use what is needed to get through it. And so it makes it a lot more efficient. And also on those really hot days or really cold days, you're going to be prepared for whatever you need. So it can heat and cool. Another great thing about a ductless system is if you're replacing electric heat and going with a ductless system, then you can get rid of that old clunky through the wall air conditioner because they heat and they cool. So if you're ready to find out more, give us a ring. We're the leading ductless contractor in the Boise area, and we're nationally recognized as a ductless all-star. So I invite you to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.